Submitting a research paper to a conference should be simple and structured. With PeerSubmit, authors can easily submit their papers through a guided, step-by-step process. For this demo, I will open the conference page in incognito mode. This helps simulate the experience of a new author visiting the conference page for the first time. From the conference landing page, the author can click on the Submit Abstract button to begin the submission process. Once the Submit Abstract button is clicked, the system will ask the author to authenticate. If the author is already registered, they can simply log in using their email address and password. If the author is visiting for the first time or not registered, the system will ask them to register. After completing the registration process, the author account will be successfully created. Once the account registration is completed, the system will automatically redirect them back to the submission process, where they can continue submitting their abstract or paper. The author chooses the track that best matches their research topic or subject area from the list of tracks we created earlier. Once the track is selected, the author can proceed to the next step. Here, the author fills in the author information section. This includes the basic author details, such as first and last name, email, affiliation, and designation. In addition to these standard fields, the author will also see the two additional fields we created earlier, department and country. The author can also add co-authors if the paper has multiple contributors. Finally, the author enters the submission details, including manuscript title, abstract, and keywords. Once all the information is completed, the author can submit the abstract or paper. If the conference allows multiple abstract or manuscript submissions, the author can submit more than one manuscript in the same submission. To do this, the author can simply click on Add More Manuscript and upload additional files. This feature is useful when authors want to submit multiple submissions together. Once all the required information is completed, the author can click Submit to finalize the submission. After submission, the system will confirm that the submission was successful. A notification email will be sent to the author confirming the submission details. The paper will then be available for the conference organizers and reviewers to begin the review process. Here submission flow is completed. Let's see how the author dashboard looks. The author dashboard provides a complete overview of the author's submissions. Here, the author can see a list of all the papers or abstracts they have submitted to the conference. Each submission will display important details such as submission title, conference name, selected track, submission date, current status of the submission. This allows authors to quickly track the progress of their submission. To see more information about a submission, the author can simply click on the submission. This will open the submission details page. On this page, the author can view the paper title and abstract, author and co-author information, uploaded manuscript files, submission status, any review feedback. Also, author can upload revised versions of their paper if revisions are requested. They can view decision notifications such as acceptance or rejection. With this, we have completed the demo of the author submission process and the author dashboard. We saw how authors access the conference page, register or log in to the system, submit their abstract or paper, and how authors can view and manage their submissions from the author dashboard.